I'm going to make this a very short video so that because I've actually talked about all these things. But for our new subscribers, let me just refresh this video. Top 7 agricultural businesses that you can start without owning a land in Nigeria. Let's dive into it. The first one is agro processing and packaging. I have a detailed video on how you can start agro processing and packaging on this channel. I think I have 3. I'm planning to do 2 new more. So do well to check out all those videos. Like I said, this one is just like a refresh of the topics I have discussed on this channel so far. The next way to start agricultural business without owning land will be trading or storage. You trade agro commodities, you buy commodities where they are cheap, you take it to where they are expensive, you sell and you make your profit. Now this aspect, like I do say, you need to have logistics partner. But in one of my videos, I'm going to be talking about how you can actually source for logistics and how you can partner with people when it comes to logistics in agriculture. The next aspect is packaging and branding. Packaging and branding, you cannot go wrong with agro packaging, you cannot go wrong with agro branding. In my last video, I talked about how you can collaborate with people that are already packaging, and all you need to do is to brand. You don't need to package and brand. You need to just be smart about your investment or be smart about the business aspect. Look for people that are already packaging, buy from them. It is easier for you to brand than for you to start sourcing and packaging from fresh. So buy from people that are already packaging and brand and sell. You can buy anything, egusi, elubo, name them, brand it, and you start marketing. So your own is to focus on the marketing aspect of it and not actually the packaging aspect of it. You can help people set up their farm, you can help people monitor their farm. I said in one of my videos, this is the aspect that the Farmy brand is going into. We help you to vent your land, we help you to monitor your land. So for the farm monitoring aspect, all we are doing is, let's say you already have your farm, you already have farm workers, farm managers, but you want a third party opinion on what is going on. This is for those that are not in Nigeria. You want a third party opinion on what is going on my farm. Hello Julie, go and check my farm for me. So for the farm monitoring, we give you reports monthly, we send you videos, we send you photos. Now you see, I'm not holding information. This is what the Farmy Julie brand will be doing come September. So it's another aspect that you yourself you can look into. Another one we are looking at going into is land venting. So for those that wants to get land, but you need assurance that this land is genuine, you don't want to be scammed, you reach out to us, we help you do the underground work. We don't really need to be at the forefront when it comes to getting of land. We just help you ask questions. Bale, who has this land? Is this land legit? Bale, is me that, because people tend to like scam once they discover that you're abroad. So our own work is to help you vent and make sure that the land you're getting is genuine. So that's another aspect that we are doing at the Farmy brand. So this is another aspect that you can look into as a consultant. If you're someone that is knowledgeable in the agricultural business space, you can consult for people, teach them, guide them on how to go when it comes to agriculture business. The next aspect will be feed formulation. Any feed, livestock feed, dog feed, cattle feed, goat feed, poultry feed, rabbit feed, feed formulation. Like I do say in my videos, this is an aspect that we should start looking into. But one thing when it comes to feed formulation is you need to have access to direct farmers. So you need to position yourself in a way that you can source directly from farmers. This will help you make more profits. Okay, you don't want to be at the mercy of people that are reselling. So you need to be able to buy from farm markets gate or directly from farms to be able to make profit when it comes to feed meal formulation. Okay, so there are several aspects, but these are the few aspects that I brought to the channel for you to look into. Also, if you want detailed video on them, I have detailed video on some, but let me know the one you want to go into and the one you want me to do an elaborate video on so that you can get started in when it comes to agriculture business. These are top 5 agricultural businesses that you can start in Nigeria without owning a farm. All right, as usual, I hope you got value. If you did, smash the like